Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my garden. For those that are new, my name is Stephen Chin, and on my channel, I promote backyard farming or backyard gardening. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of my garden. I'm going to show you what I have planted, and I hope you will enjoy this tour. So for those that watched my previous video, knows that I don't have a big garden, small space, but when you do backyard gardening, you have to use your space efficiently. So try to use every corner and every available space to grow your food. So here in this corner, I have beans. These are the brown beans, and they start to flower. They start to flower. So there are two ways of harvesting this. You can leave them to dry and use them in rice and peas, or you can eat them green, cut them up and stew them or steam, however you like it. I have aloe leaf, tireblatt in a container. I have much more, but because of space, I use the space. Here we see kalaloo or amaranth. So in one of the videos, I had showed you that I had celery in this box, but now and then I do crop rotation. You know, crop rotation is beneficial for disease control and prevention. For instance, you have some disease that loves the kalaloo or the amaranth. If you keep planting it in one box every time the same place, it will allow the disease to thrive. So by rotating it, you disrupt the cycle. So there is it. This is my banana tree. You see, I still have the trunk of the one that I had harvested. I wanted to see if it will die out on its own, and it does. So I will cut it out. Here I have some aloe leaves, tireblatt. There I have some aloe leaves again. My herbs, lemongrass. You see how I cut it? Often make tea. And there we have the banana. This is ready to be harvested. We'll harvest it shortly. So let's go and see what we have here up front. So here we have aloe leaves. This is bitter leaf or bitterwiri in Suriname. So as you see, none of this is weed. Everything is edible. You might find some weed here and there, but I just use the available space to plant whatever I desire. Here we have some okra. We have some aloe leaves in containers. I will take this to the market this Saturday. And this is my good old kale, still producing. In many videos I hinted that I will remove them because they are at their end, but they still producing, so I still have them. I have some new transplant. This is the purple one, kale, purple one, growing up nice. There we have one again. It's the kale. Here I have a lemon tree. Here I have sown some cucumbers, and they will grow up on this structure that I used in the past for long beans. And I have some ackee tree. I don't know if you know what ackee is. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, or comment. There's some ackee trees that I have to transplant outdoors. Here I have some callaloo. In between you will see scallion or green onions. Goes there. Scallion, green onions. This is my new box that I created myself. Watch my previous video, watch my short, and it's loaded with transplants. So I have bok choy and celery. So I'll keep you updated. So this is the callaloo bed. Or amaranth. You have so many different types of this one. You even have a red color one. Yeah, so here we have bok choy. We'll harvest them for the market this Saturday. We'll harvest this, and we have some over there. This is my callaloo nursery as well. So when I harvest these, I already have some seedlings to go in the ground. There we have them. So that is called succession farming. So here I have some callaloo, some bok choy. This is my lettuce. I have enjoyed the lettuce so much. And now next to the lettuce I grow some celery. Here we have celery. So let me show you something. I've had visitors lately, unwanted visitors, and look what they did. So I try to put a net. I try all kind of things. Somebody told me that if you put the net, they can get entangled in it, but they find other roads to come in, and they are devastating. Watch what happened here. And these are the iguanas. The iguanas. Look what the iguanas have done to me, to my plants, to my babies. Yes, devastating, eh? So here I have some more kale, the purple kale. My pepper trees. Eggplant. And here I have my lettuce. The red ruby. It's the red ruby growing up nice. So let's taste one. So let's taste it. Fresh and nice. Yes, very nice. Nice. So here I have a tomato. Have some more aloe leaves. Some pepper, callaloo, lettuce. And these are the Scotch bonnet pepper, some kale. This is actually kale, sorry, not lettuce, kale, purple kale. And these are my sweet pepper seedlings. I also have some celery to transplant. Look them there. After the market, I will do all of that. Transplant them into the beds. So my beautiful people, that was a tour of my garden. I have shown you all the vegetables that I grow in this small space, high yield. So you can do it. You can start small, one container at a time, and you can achieve this as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.